Cindy from Portsmouth, Virginia, has a question about a shiny shower.
Well, actually, hers has lost its luster. Yes. Cindy's looks like this. She says, oh,
the pan.
So sad.
Yep.
She says, I scrubbed too hard and removed portions of the finish, she says. Yeah. So now no shine. So Cindy wants to know how to get the shine back in her shower.
You're really not going to get the shine. I mean, he took the finish off, so it's still going to be discolored. But if you want to put a shine on something, it's not good to put it on the floor of the shower because it'll become very slippery. So I want you to use wax or gel coat finishes or things like that. That's great. I could have said if it was a wall, gel coat finish, or a cultured marble polish, which is somewhat of a gel coat finish, is fine. But I don't want to tell you to put anything on your floor because what if you slip, fall, and hurt yourself? You need a new shower pan in that shower.
Yeah, we don't have that much insurance. So
no.
Here's the other piece. What if she called one of these bathtub refinishing guys? Don't you think they have a surface that they could put on that thing?
Probably. I don't know if it's going to be, maybe. Yeah, call them and find out what the price is.
Right.
Let's leave it at that.
Yeah.
So bathtub refinishing, that would be fine. They can actually do a gritty surface like they do in some of the tubs too. So I would say that's okay. But as far as you putting something on yourself, gritty surface.
Isn't that the band you were in college?
Maybe.
All right, you got questions? Send them to us.
I don't remember.
HomeShowRadio.com. Use the Ask Tom form, and we'll answer them just like these videos over here. And hey, why don't you subscribe to our channel?
It was the 70s.